Hi everyone. In this video, I will show you how to make 3D pop-out effect for Instagram in Adobe Photoshop. First, create a new document with these dimensions. Now go to the File menu, Place Embedded and select your image, and place. Adjust its size. Right-click on this layer and choose Rasterize layer. Now select the rectangular marquee tool and select the area which you want to fill. Then go to Edit menu and click on Fill. Use these settings and hit OK. Now go to the File menu again and place this Instagram template. Link to this mentioned in the description. Adjust its size and position. Select the image layer. Create a layer via copy of it. Bring this on top in layers. Then go to Select menu, then Subject. Here I need some manual selection. I am using polygonal lasso tool for this. Then add layer mask to it. Select the brush tool and apply to erase unwanted area. Now decrease the frame opacity. Add a blank layer. Select the brush tool, use these settings for brush. Set foreground color to black. Hold the Control button and click on Frame Layer icon. And apply the brush. Bring down its opacity. Add layer mask to it and do finishing touches.
First, create a new document with these.
And that's it. Share your thoughts on this. If there is any question, you can ask in the comment section. Make sure you head over to my YouTube channel, where I upload graphic-related tutorials. Thank you for watching.